How you doing, YouTube? Today I changed the oil on my 2018 Chevy 3500 HD gasoline. So when you have to change the oil, it tells you oil change soon. So I was trying to figure this out. Let me see. So this how you do this. Hold on, baby. Press on this button right here. Bing. No, you don't press on it. You click it to the right. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bam. To reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Yes. Bam. 100%. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh, and if you don't want to get your vehicle stolen, that's that locket. That's how you do that there. Bam. That's another YouTube video for the 2018 Chevy. Bam. You don't want it to go nowhere. That's what you do, baby. You lock it. You lock it. All right, YouTube. Peace out.